How to send a drop pin on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, use the map to find the specific area where you want to drop the pin. You can search for an address or manually move around the map. Then, tap and hold your finger on the map at the exact spot where you want to place the pin. A red pin will appear at that location. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like directions, save, share, or add a label at the bottom. Swipe left and tap on the share icon. You can now share this pin using any of the methods below. Tap on Share this place. Here, can view all the sharing options available. You can now share this pin with your friends on different platforms. Following these steps, you can easily send a dropped pin on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.